Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at an 8-pin cable here from Aibocn, Aibocn, for lightning. So light cable, USB 2 lightning, 8-pin. It's 3.3 feet, or 1 meter if you would. Ooh, nice packaging. I like that. That's quality there. Put a little wrapper on it. Let's take a close look. Check that baby out. MFI certified. Let's look at the important part, the lightning end. Come on, focus, focus, focus. There you go. No. Little restrictor there. Keep it from crimping the end. That's a nice little cable. I like that. I especially like the hold the wrapper up. Good job you do. It says MFI certified. And you can use your MFI certified cable with your Apple product and have no runs, no drips, and what you don't want to see, errors. No errors. The Aibocn 8-pin. Of course, I don't know if Aibocn is right. I haven't talked to anybody there. I ought to call them up and ask them how they pronounce that. Maybe that's a contraction for something like artificial intelligence bouncing on clear networks. That's what you need your cable for. Bounce on clear networks. The Aibocn cable. Inexpensive, MFI certified. You ought to get one of these. Nice packaging too.